So, please tell us your name and your location.
My name is Timothy Wizunamai. I'm the president of Langmai Naga Council, Manipur.
Yeah. Please tell us today we have found 6 bodies after 28 days. So please tell us, how do you feel about this?
Yes, we have just received 6 bodies which was abducted by the Kuki narco-terrorists on 13th May, and to our utter shock, we received them as a dead body today, and we are shattered. We are totally shocked the way how they have been killed this way, and the bodies have arrived, but then we haven't seen the who is who yet. We haven't identified yet, and we are going to wait till the time we see the face identified. We don't know what exactly the position is, but this is very disappointing.
But for as of now, the body will not be taken.
I'm sorry?
Will you take the body after you identify them, or?
No, we'll first have to identify what condition, who. We don't know whether they are them or not. So we have to first ascertain that they are surely our people, the 6 people.
But if you claim that like the 6 body to be the 6 Naga people who are missing, will you claim the body?
We'll have to sit down together with the relatives, victims, and they will decide whether we have to accept it.
So we have a rumor. We have a rumor saying that the bodies have been mutilated.
How can we be satisfied? It took them 28 days to bring the dead bodies here.
So what is your message to the government?
We are very disappointed the way the government has acted, and we look forward what they will going to.
So we have heard
next.
rumors like the body have been mutilated, and nobody can identify
it. The packet is
it.
not open yet. We cannot say anything. Let's see when we open the packet and see.
Yeah, what is your comment regarding the aggressive actions of the security forces in this hospital campus?
That is very disappointing. The people who come here this evening, they came to receive the brothers, the people. They thought they are bringing alive. They want to receive them, but the security forces have, without any mercy, there have been some are injured, and some are still in the hospital, and this is very disappointing.
So where these bodies have been recovered? Have the family or the tribe leaders have been told like where these bodies have been recovered from?
No, we haven't given any information yet. There is no official
So
information.
this is after releases of 14 cookies hostages. So do you think, is there any larger picture?
The government has given us the assurance that once the 14 detained cookies were released, within 48 hours, they will produce the report of these 6 abducted persons.
Yes, the government has given assurance on 7, but the release was on 9 only. So there is no.
No, I think they produce within the 48 hours.
Is there any further course of action after this?
We'll see. Let's first identify them, and let's see what kind of it is. We are not sure whether they are those 6 persons also or not.
Please tell us your name.
My name is Timothy Wizunamai, the president of Langmai Naga Council, Manipur.
Thank you very much.